Hello everyone, in this video we will explain how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. We will be doing this by multiplying each bit by 2 to the power of n, where n is the position of the bit. What do we mean by the position of the bit and how do we count it? For example here, 1 0 1 0. We start counting the position of the bit from the right side, so we say 2 and the n will be 0. We always start from 0, and then here 2 power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 3, meaning that the numbers here, which are the n, are the positions. Let's start with an example. 0 1 0 1 1 1. So we will start counting the positions from the left to from the right side. And we will say 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, and then 2 to the power of 5. We can just ignore the 0, because when we multiply 0 with anything, it will be 0, so that it won't contribute to the answer. So just, by the way, the relations between each one is multiply. We will multiply each one. So here, 2 to the power of 0 is 1, and when we multiply it with 1, will be 1. 2 to the power of 1, multiply it by 1, 2. 2 to the power of 3, multiply it by 1, 8. 2 to the power of 5, multiply it by 1, 32. So we add all of them and we get 43, which is the answer. Let's try another example. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. You can pause the video and try it by yourself and then see if you got it right. So we start again here from the right side. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as we said before, we can just ignore the zeros. Here, the answer 2 to the power of 0 will be 1. 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. 2 to the power of 5 will be 32. 2 to the power of 7, 128. 2 to the power of 8, 256. So we add all of them together and we will get 425. So what if we get fractions? 1 0 and 1 0 1 1. The left side, we will be doing it the same way that we've been doing from the start of the video. So here, 2 to the power of 0 and 2 to the power of 1, which we would ignore the 0 part, and here the answer will be 2. What about the fraction part? We will start from the left side here, and we will multiply it with 2 negative 1, then 2 negative 2, 2 to the power of negative 3, then 2 to the power of negative 4, which will make it, we will ignore this, then 2 to the power of negative 1, which will be 0.5, then 2 to the power of negative 3, which will be 0.125, and 2 to the power of negative 4 will be 0.0625, and we will just add all of this together, the two parts, and the answer will be 2.6875. Let's have another example for the fractions. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Let's give some space. 0, 0, 0.01. So we will start here. We'll say 2 power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, wait, I made a mistake here. I skipped number 2 for some reason. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here, as we said, we will start from the left side, negative 1, 2 to the power negative 2. So, ignore the zeros. So here, and just start at multiplying. 2 to the power of 2, 4, plus 2 to the power of 3, 8, 2 to the power of 7, 128, plus 205, 6. Here, 2 to the power of negative 22 will be 0.25. Yes, and then we will add all of this together. The answer will be 396.25. That's the end of the video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below.